If you're wondering how to buy shares of Ofg Bancorp, this quick guide will show the basic steps. Ofg Bancorp is a regional banking company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker OFG. This is for educational purposes and not financial advice. To proceed, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search field and type the ticker OFG to find the company listing. Select the matching Ofg Bancorp entry that shows NASDAQ to locate the correct asset. On the asset page, review the basic company profile and the price chart to confirm it is Ofg Bancorp. Verify the exchange is NASDAQ and the ticker displays OFG before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to spend, then carefully review and confirm the order before submitting. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it opens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. After the purchase, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the exact platform shown, check the link in the description.